wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight.
Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. It's me, yours truly, Lady Lori. What do I have for you today? I've got something just a little different than other unboxings that you have been seeing recently. It is the beginning of March 2022 and I'm starting to get boxes in. Not the boxes that I think all of you are waiting for. Sassy did the AIA Beauty Bundle. Everything from Alicia Keys from her Soul Care collection. And by the way, you guys, the face feels amazing. It feels really nice. She did a fantastic job. Okay, so back last year, I canceled a beauty box, kind of like a beauty bag. It was a subscription because the company was really having difficulties keeping up. There was a lot of things that were happening with regards to the health of the owner. And just in, the structure was starting to fail. Getting shipping out the door, getting billing done correctly, pulling money from accounts and making sure that you get your product. Things were getting messed up. So what did I get in the mail? I get an email. First thought was, oh no, please tell me you are not trying to tap into my bank account. I get a hold of them. She says, no. They're relaunching this month in March. Thank God. She's fantastic. Her name is Russia. Absolutely love her. Sweet gal. And they say, we're sending you the 2 bags you didn't get, but paid for. There was mistakes. The shipping and everything went upside down backwards. In other words, it did everything except for the way it was supposed to go. So I get this. And inside it are 2 bundles. Because, it makes sense, right? Just get these 2 bundles out of the way. Now let me show you what it is that this company offers. This is the Slay Glam Bag. Very different than the Glow Addict, but kind of similar. They're along the lines. It is an indie company. It is woman owned. Okay, so the first product is an eyeliner in the color Ocean by Hikari. I don't use Hikari a lot. I've got a lot of product, like a lot of liners by Hikari. And this one is all sealed up. And it says Ocean, so my guess is it's gonna be, I know you guys want to see it, right? Okay. Well, you know what? Not right now, because let's move along this video. Because I've got 2 little bundles to show you guys. Okay, and then there's Be a Bombshell. That's the name of the company. The color is, and this is an eye base. It's called Big Teal. Be a Bombshell. I was skeptical, you guys. I was skeptical. But I ended up with this. Has a really pretty logo. You see that color? Okay, this is an eye base, okay? Kind of like what I did with that cocoa cream from Too Faced on my eyelids. Look at that. Very creamy. Very creamy. I don't know. Have you guys ever used anything like this? I use it in this form here. That very different in that liquid that dries pretty fast. And then by Cailyn, this is the R2M Silk Exfoliating Peeling Pad. So we just got 1 of them instead of the entire box. I believe there's 5 of them that you would get in a box. We get 1. Except for this. This is by Cailyn. Says nothing on the box. Nothing to let us know what is in here. But you can kind of feel, you're like, okay, wait a minute. I'm sensing face mask, I'm sensing, are you going to make Sassy happy or me? Are we getting makeup or are we getting skincare? Because I'm telling you right now, you guys, We are inundated with skincare when it comes to these beauty box subscriptions. I've been watching Yari open all week, and I'm just like, girl, are you kidding me? Stop with the skincare. BOXYCHARM, IPSY, stop. You know, we've got plenty. And we need more makeup. Oh, pretty. Look at this beautiful velvet bag. It's got their name on it. It's gorgeous. You guys, look at this bag. That's right. It comes with a mirror. Very pretty. And you've got this gorgeous protected bag that it goes in. This is nice. This is soft. Kind of like that crushed velvet. Isn't that beautiful? This is a really nice box so far. When I'm looking at it, I go, you know, these are okay over here. You can do something with. You can create a look. You know, you can get something going on. You got your mirror to help you out. I'm happy. I'm okay. And then came this. This is the palette. This is the Las Vegas palette. This is by Prolux. Now, I do have quite a few palettes by them. I believe they have the Aladdin. It says, Fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. Welcome. Now, the inside of it, I don't know. Somebody might be able to, you know, do a little bit. I can't see me playing in here too much. I don't know. We'll see. But this is just empty space. It's void. Like I said, and then you have this. This is, I mean, I guess, I'm not really sure what it is except for maybe a building. You know, like these are all the windows and maybe. What do you guys think? Is it too busy? Too much? Offering too many options? That's kind of where I go. If you're going there, that's where I am. So we can sit together. So that's the big bundle. On to the next one. We're doing two, so this video might be a little longer. For me, you guys are used to watching Sassy do 20-25 minute videos. You know why? Because she never shuts up. And if I edited half the stuff that she does out, you guys wouldn't know why she's laughing or what that joke was about or what she... Basically, what comes out of her damn trap is I watch them and I'm busting up and I go, oh my God, I can't edit that out. That's why they're so long. Seriously, it's like a little 30-minute, like, you know, like a sitcom, like the comedy ones. That's what she is. Anyway, all right, let's go. Okay, this is the next bundle by Cailyn, and this is a triple blusher palette. Triple blusher. Okay. Good Lord, please don't be this color, because boy, I'll tell you something. That on my cheeks, ooh, I'd have to use it on the eyes. You can't see, can you? Look. Okay, there you go. There's the three. My deepest apologies that this is not even going, the closer I get, the worse it becomes. So I'm going to stop it right about there. So these are your, like, almost like sunset colors. You have a peach, and then you have a softer peach, and then you have kind of like a cream. It's a real soft cream. And this is going to probably go in a giveaway. A lot of this will go in a giveaway. I used to give away a lot of the products from Slay Glam. Just because there were things that I wouldn't use. And then I started seeing some of the products. They didn't get Slay Glam, but some of the products started showing up in videos. And they were using them. And I said, oh my God, I gave it away. I'm just giving it away to anybody. Sisters, my nieces, my daughter-in-law, to the girls, the little ones, grandbabies to play with, you know, whatever. And I'm like, hey, can I have it back? And then there's this also by Cailyn. The brush, those angled brushes that, you know what I mean? You put it there on your blush and it's contoured. That's really nice, nice. It is nice. Mind you, this is the company that I received my Cailyn favorite of all time from the Star Wave Metallic Tint Collection. My lip product that I just cannot find even through Cailyn. Now this is the Star Wave Metallic Tint. This one is the number 6. The one that I loved, I believe, is the number 7. This is it right here. This is the one I just got. This is the number 6. Mine's the number 7. This is the color I absolutely love. This is the color I just got. This is the number 6. So it has pink. I see pink in here. I see like pinkish red and then a little bit of orange, like tangerine. So I don't know. These, I'm telling you guys, I didn't want to use, oh my goodness, hang on. That's like what's on my eyes. It's what this is doing depending on how the light hits it. You know what? This is going to be fun. This is going to be, I'll probably end up keeping this because it'll end up being something I'll just, you know, I'll put on my lips. Okay, last thing, you guys. 2 things. Because you get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 5 items in each one. This one always gives you something bigger and better. Do you remember the Cailyn brushes? That came from here, I think. Yeah. Glow Addict or Slate Glam. Okay, this one here is an eyebrow pencil that is waterproof. And it looks like it's 2. Okay, so you have your pencil, which is your twist up on this side. I hope you can see that. And then let me see on the other side, because it looks like there's a cap. You have a spoolie. On the other side. So twist up, spoolie. Well, you know, you would need to because this is an eyebrow product. So you got that. You got your triple blusher. You got your angled, really cool face brush, contouring brush, and then you guys, COLLAB. And a lot of you are like, oh, how the heck do you say this? I've heard people that do videos that go, I have no idea what the heck this name is. COLLAB. Okay? And I was introduced to this several years ago by Slay Glam, Glossy Box, and Glow Addict. They're the ones, they're like little indie companies that sell these. This is the brand that runs their products through them. COLLAB distributes their products, sends them to these little indie subscription box companies, and we get introduced to them in our boxes. Oh, by the way, I have a whole bunch of them down here. I got about 6 in my little bin because sometimes they're fun. You just grab one of those and you're like, oh, all right, here we go. Because these are fun. They're fun. You want me to swatch it? You want me to swatch it? Okay. Because they're glitters, they're shimmers, use one of these. Okay. We're going to do this purple down here that's called Flash. Oh my God. And then look at this one right here. It's called Beam. You know that one that your kids watch? A Beam. Like my granddaughter, just turn it on Beam. Oh my God. Anyway. And then there is Soot. So you have Soot, Beam, and Flash. Let's do Flash. Let's see what Flash looks like. Nice so far. That is pretty. I'll get a little bit more of that. Now the pans do pop out, the little pods. There's a little hole there. I think you saw it. And yes, they do pop out. Man, that is gorgeous. Oh, wow. Wow. That's beautiful. You can pop that right on. You know what I mean? That is beautiful. All right. Let's get some beam on here. Put it right next to it. You got some color there. Ooh, Lord. I'll tell you something. If you needed black, you definitely got black. Oh, yeah. Definitely got your dark black right there. You needed something under your bottom lash line? You got it. It's there. And they do shift a little because they're shimmers. So they're going to do a little bit of, they're going to do a magic dance for you. Don't worry about it. They'll perform. All right, let's see what we got on the other side. Soot. After this, we're done, okay? Not bad. There was not a lot of fallout on these either. Ooh. Okay. Work with me on this one, you guys. Don't say no, not right away. I'm moving it towards that black. See if I can't get any blending going on. I just kind of want to show you sometimes when it blends. Check it out. That is soot. Now I'm going to show you guys the palette in just a second so you can take a look at the pods again real quick. Oh my God, I'm loving. Just loving these two right there. I mean, that purple, well, you know, they're all gorgeous. They really are. Oh my God. Are you going to get rid of it? Look at this. It's like, are you going to get rid of it, Lori? No, I don't think so. I usually don't get rid of the Ogalons. Look at these. You guys. Those are them right there. All right, you guys, that was everything. Those were the 2 bundles that I got. And they were replacement bags for shipments that I did not receive, but they were having a hard time issuing the refunds. And everything just kind of got messed up back last year. So they made good. She's relaunching this year. It is Slay Glam Box, or is it Slay Glam Bag or Slay Glam Box? I can't remember. I think it's Box. Anyhow, I'm going to put their information and their link on their Instagram as well as their website in the description box down below. Go check them out. You might be interested in them. I was with them for quite a while. So until everything just went south, I jumped ship. There was another boat there. I'm just saying, I didn't just jump in the water and hear somebody say, I hope you can swim. All right, you guys, that's it. Thanks for spending a little bit of time with me. Do me a favor, if you made it this far, hit that thumbs up button. Pop that subscribe button if you aren't already. And please, if you want to know when my videos come out, you got to turn your notifications on. And if I had to tell you that, my deepest apologies. Bye.